So for those that have broken retaining clips, this is my 2006 Scion, and see the clip is missing on this one. The little trick I just found out today, just messing around, is if you take a zip tie, and we all know zip ties are good for a little bit of everything. Kind of hard to do with one hand. If you fish it under here, and of course it's going to be stubborn. Two hands is pretty easy. There we go. If you pull it through, and put this square box right over the little notch, you'll hear it click. There, see it? There it goes. And guess what? It doesn't come off. And to remove it, you just put your little pick under here and lift it up, and it'll unclip. So I thought that was pretty cool. Hope it helps you.